pumpkins. Today I'm gonna be knocking over all of the gravestones in the graveyard. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna be going over the rewards you can get. Okay, so we have a cracked egg, 5 tiny age pots, an age pot, big gift, a pet egg, the legendary Dracula parrot, a garden egg, massive gift, regal chest, 3 10,000 candy, 3 15,000 candy, and finally, 3 5,000 candy. Now let's talk to this guy. Okay, now we can knock down the graves. I already knocked down Leah this morning, and I got some candy. Let's do Brad first. Nice, I found 10,000 candy. Time for producer Bex. We got another 10,000 candy. Cameo now. Wow, I got 15,000 candy this time. Steven's turn. And now we got 5,000 candy. Let's do uplift Dad. Ooh, a massive gift. Let's open it. Haha, we got the teeth grappling hook. Time for Brad. Nice 15,000 candy. Let's do Z now. Ooh, an age potion. I needed this long. Now then. Pull a garden egg. Time for Joe. We got 5,000 candy. Let's do hero now. A big gift. I just got the hairbrush. Riata's turn. We got 10,000 candy. Let's do Mark now. We got a pet egg here. Jesse's turn. A cracked egg. Let's do Madness. We got 5 tiny age pots. Time for Matt. Yay! We finally got the Dracula parrot. I love this pet so much, it's adorable. I think I'll name it Fan. Now we can do Balloon. Nice, we got 15,000 candy. Let's do John now. Ending it off with 5,000 candy, not bad. Anyway guys, I hope y'all liked this video. I'm doing a Scare Bear giveaway this week, so stay tuned. To enter, you have to like this video, subscribe, and comment your Roblox username. I wish good luck to all participants. Bye pumpkins!